So my next haul video, super excited, got to visit my friend Trish for my birthday. So not only did she give me some goodies, which I'll share with you, but we also visited Hobby Lobby. So this is a combination of what we got on our trip to Hobby Lobby. I don't have one. And also what she gave me for my birthday. So it's a combination of those two. So some really pretty beads. How so pretty. Oh, these oranges to die for. Look at these. How fun are these beads? Yeah, and she treated me to some beads. She got me some really fun green wildfire. And then we found these coal crystals. And then we both got this to make matchy-matchy earrings. How pretty is that? As you can tell, we like the clearance. I got that my one daughter loves insects, so I thought that would be really cool to make her something with. I also got her another thing I can't find right now, but some more fun things that Trish gave me. This. And this. She also gave me some of these beautiful crystals. And then I got some half tilla beads. And she bought me some of this. Look at how pretty this Precocia. This is the company that's going to be doing a lot of the check glass and crystal now. Look at that combo. How pretty is that? Right? And then I really fell in love with these check glass mixes. So I made a bracelet the other day with it. So how fun are these bead mixes, right? I just got lots of fun. These are 11-0s and 8-0 sea beads to make lots more fun bracelets, friends. I think some are in more half tillas, some are in my box. I also got some handy dandy glue. I went with this because I feel like my glue is always drying up, so I went with little containers. And then Trish gave me some things from her stash. Some more lovely 11-0s. I think those are 11-0s or 8-0s. Some fun crystals. Some fun colored beads there. And some more. She knows I like these rainbow colors. So lots of fun beads here from Trish. Let me see. I do have that bracelet. Ooh, I just made a ruckus. Ha! So this is the bracelet I just recently made from some of that stash. So super excited for that one. And then I also, over the weekend at Trisha's, I made this fun bracelet with, these are buttons from Dress It Up, which is also owned by Jesse James. And I recently finished up this bracelet. So this is a Jesse James bead mix from when they had their Hawaii mix. So those are some of my recent creations. So yeah, so excited to share that with you guys.